Welcome to our English Learning channel. In today's video, we have a collection of simple and useful English sentences that will help you practice and improve your English skills. Each sentence is paired with its Urdu meaning, making it easier for you to understand and remember. Let's dive in and start learning together. I am happy. She likes apples. He is reading a book. We are going to school. It is raining outside. They have a cat. Can you help me? She sings well. The sun is shining. I need water. He is eating lunch. The dog is sleeping. We are watching TV. It is very hot today. She is writing a letter. I love this song. They are playing outside. He goes to the gym. She is very tired. The book is on the table. I will call you later. We need to leave now. It is a beautiful day. He is a good student. I am learning English. The food is delicious. She has a new dress. They are having dinner. I feel better now. The car is parked outside.